Welcome to our new house. We got it. Today's our first day to walk around.
We're going to do an empty home tour. Nothing is in here yet. If you're new here, this is my mom, Kathy. My name is Shannon, and my parents have been on a downsizing journey, and they finally found the house that they wanted. Yep. They got it, and they're going to be moving.
It's a big deal here, and ours is up for sale, so it's all coming together.
We're going to take you through every room in the house. And I think the plan is you're maybe going to tell us some ideas of how you envision it going. I don't know. What do you think?
It's kind of overwhelming. I'm just kind of taking it all in now because when you look for a house, you don't really get to see it up close. It's kind of a fast deal. Then you go back one more time and, you know, it's just as fast. So now I'm seeing things kind of for the first time, really. Getting to open the refrigerator and see what's here. So I don't really have any vision for much other than moving in, and then I will start as needed making repairs or adding rugs or whatever we need.
Changing things around.
Yeah.
And we're noticing things that we didn't notice before when we had come in here, because I was here for the first open home that we walked through, but that was the only time I've really seen it in person.
Oh, yeah.
So for me to come back, I'm seeing now things that I didn't see before, which is so funny. You just don't notice certain things.
Yeah. What I liked right off the bat is all the appliances are KitchenAid. And I had just got my first new KitchenAid dishwasher at my house, and I love it so much. And they have the same one here. So mine are white. These are all the aluminum or steel or whatever they are.
Stainless steel, I think. But
so, yeah, I'm excited.
Looks nice.
They all match, and it's great. It has a drawer, microwave.
Fancy things. And the kitchen is, they can't see it.
They can't see it. That's okay.
That's okay.
But the boys figured out how to use it.
Of course. My kids will be in here.
They came in and started pushing every button.
The crazy thing is you're going to have a modern new kitchen for the first time in 30 years. The previous owners redid this whole kitchen.
Yes, they had just updated it all.
A year ago, I think. So nice countertops and backsplash, all new, everything.
Look at this. It comes out and it keeps on coming. Whee!
Very cool.
Yeah, you can put all your stuff because the cabinet goes way back there, so you're saving space.
This is way more room than you have at your current house.
Oh, yeah.
For a pantry.
Oh, sure.
And you can adjust these.
Yeah.
So that's really good. You can really customize it to fit all your stuff.
I can hide up there if anybody breaks in.
You get a little ladder?
I just get a ladder and jump up there. That's my, what they call it, safe. That's my safe room up there over the refrigerator.
This is the dining room.
Here we go.
What do you envision for this room?
A rug and a table, a new one of these things, because those are killing my eyes.
Those lights are
I like the light to go up and not, I don't like looking at the light bulbs. So that, and then I'm going to put my china cabinet bottom over here.
And then this actually leads right into the kitchen. Yeah. So that's perfect. You just walk right out. Your cabinet, everything.
This is where we serve the queen and the king, right here.
A big giant rug.
Some kind of a rug.
And a long table that could be extended out.
Yes, it can come all the way out, and you could have lots of people over. And
yay.
Yay, I know, excited.
Here is the living room.
Does it look familiar?
Does it look familiar? If you follow my channel and you've watched any of my videos about my house, you might recognize a very similar corner fireplace. And that's because my parents have moved into a neighborhood very close to ours. We're very, very close to each other.
Yes, very close.
And so many of you have asked that question.
Yes, are we going to move close? Yes.
Are we going to stay close?
We did it.
We're even closer now than we were before. So
we can just walk to each other's houses. So
it's awesome.
Yeah, this will be great.
And they have the same corner fireplace. And of course, it'll look different because you're going to have all your furniture in a different way than we have ours. But right here off of the main living room is this wonderful conservatory, you were calling it?
Sunroom.
Sunroom.
Yeah, conservatory is a big word. There you go.
Sunroom. That's much easier. So let's show you that.
It's off the living room, and it's all windows. I look out, and this is where I'm going to have all my sunshine so I can do art.
It's a light, bright room.
Yes.
White. And the bottom part is brick. Just so nice in here. And I envision you sitting here painting.
Oh, yes. All these be.
And you see right out into the backyard, which we'll take you a tour on the backyard too. And it's got all these trees, fruit trees and flowers and things. So you're going to have a lot of stuff to do.
Yes, I know. I can't wait.
We're in one of the 3 bedrooms because you're going from 4 to 3 and 2 bathrooms where you have 3 bathrooms now.
Yes.
So it definitely is downsizing.
Yes.
And I don't know if you can tell, but this room is quite a lot smaller than the rooms you have now.
Yeah.
So you were telling me you're going to have to declutter more.
We'll have to go home and declutter some more. It's funny.
It's more motivation.
Yeah, it's kind of funny that we're doing that.
Okay, if you followed along with this series at all, you'll know that we've been doing a ton of decluttering to get the house ready for an open home. But I feel, this is just my opinion, that you guys have still kind of had it in your head that a lot of it can come. Yeah. You're going to have a lot of room still.
I know.
And I think the reality, like you just said, is going to hit that you're going to have to simplify more.
Yes, we will. But I'm looking forward to we don't need that much space in the house of just the new life. It's going to be a whole new life. Yes. And that's what we're both looking forward to, is starting new. And it's just something to do, you know?
Yeah. I think
you could just keep living the same life. You know, it just gets monotonous. So this will be exciting.
It is.
And we'll learn to adjust and all that.
And I think, as I'm always saying, is you can declutter slowly. So you can, if you're unsure, just bring it. If it doesn't fit, then you do it when you need to.
Right.
And you've already done so much work.
Right. Oh yeah. We're very close. And we'll see. Maybe it's bigger than it looks.
You never know.
Ready? Come with me. Welcome to the main bedroom.
Here we are. This is going to be the main room.
The big bedroom.
The big bedroom.
Yep.
And we're going to have detailed videos setting your whole house up.
Yes.
You said you would allow us to be part of all that.
Yes, right.
So that's exciting. And then we'll get into details of where everything will go and how you're going to make it all fit in here and stuff. But the nice thing is you do have ceiling fans in, I think, every room.
Right.
Which is really good.
Yeah, really good.
That'll get the air flowing in here. And you have 2 windows, a big window here and a smaller window above here. And then there's a very large closet.
Yes.
So you'll be able to fit a lot of your stuff in there. So,
so our goal is just, we're going to move in, put stuff wherever, and we're just going to start living, and then we'll start doing one thing at a time as we see needed for repairs, replacements.
Small updates.
We're not going to go in there and make a big list and go shopping. It's not going to work that way. We're just going to live with what we have and then adjust.
Because of course there's little things that any home you buy, you would want to make it your own. Like the little handle knobs, get stuff that you like, more your style or whatever. But none of that is really an emergency.
No, not right away.
All of those things you can do slowly. You even said, oh, I might want to paint everything white. But again, you can do that.
It's fine like this.
A month or 2 from now, or a year or whatever.
Yeah.
So
we're not going to do anything right off the bat.
This bathroom was not updated.
Yes, that's true. It looks like it was updated late 80s, maybe early 90s.
Maybe early 90s or early 2000s. Even.
Yeah, it has that brown bulky tile
but it's still super nice and functional and clean and perfect for getting started. And then, like you said, you can always change things later if you feel you need to.
This is like what you can do here. Here, you hide in here. Watch.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys.
What you do is you hide in here, and someone sits on the toilet, and you go, surprise. I'll have to do that.
That's my dad's warning. Watch out.
I don't know what the shower window's for.
Always check the shower before you start going to the bathroom is what she's trying to tell you.
Yes.
Here is the 3rd bedroom. This one is closer to the front door.
Yes.
And you still have a very large closet. The floors are actually all original wood, just like my house.
Yes.
Because we're in the same neighborhood. All original wood that these previous owners refinished.
Yeah.
And it looks really nice.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good.
Really nice. Good. They're in perfect shape.
Oh, yeah.
And
they don't squeak.
And once you throw some rugs down, it will help with the echo. If you are hearing an echo, please do not comment that. I apologize, but this is an empty house. That's why.
That's it.
There will be an echo. We're trying to talk with the mics. But this room, I think you're going to have plenty of space in. And you said this will probably be an office, right?
We'll just share an office. We can hang out, maybe have a TV in here if one person wants to watch something different. I can come in here if he's watching racing in there or something.
That's what I was envisioning, is having this be, if it was my house, because I have kids in my house, but if this was my house, I would make this into an office / extra room to hang out in.
Hang out. You can, a comfortable chair to sit and read, to watch TV, a desk.
Perfect.
And we'll just share it.
And this room connects to the front bathroom. Here is the front small bathroom. So it is a walk-through bathroom.
This is the front door over here.
You could walk through this bathroom and then you're back out through kind of by the kitchen areas. This is probably what would be considered the guest bathroom, or when you have people over, this would be the bathroom they would use because it's right near the front door. So it's kind of the perfect small bathroom just to use when you're going in and out. How do you feel just this whole thing coming together?
Well, I'm slowly bonding with the house. I'm getting familiar with it. So we'll just see. And I'm looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to getting out in the backyard and go check out the plants. But the gardeners have been here, so they're going to be leaving, and we're going to go out and tour. Meet the trees.
Meet the trees.
And
become
the berry
one with the earth.
Yes, that's my new play area out there.
I'm really excited. I feel when you see an empty home, like you said, you're not necessarily bonded yet with it, but as soon as your stuff starts to come in and you set everything up, immediately I think it will start to feel like home.
Yes. Well, let's go out in the backyard now.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. When you come out this door, there's this ramp that leads to nothing. I think they used to have that open there and you could drive in, maybe a motorhome or something, but they have some garden boxes there. But they said this whole thing, this whole area here is original from 1956 with the house. And in Southern California, there's a lot of rocks by the foothills. So everything was built with rocks. But I think the homeowners that sold it to us, they were planning on making an outside patio here, like where you can come through and eat dinner outside, where in the afternoon it's cooler because it's the shady side. So I thought maybe that's something we can do. I mean, this has to be really old because that would go up to the house before. And then in 1962, they built this patio, supposedly in 62. That's when they got the permit for it. So they just put it right in the middle of the walkway and left the whole walkway, which that's cool. Well, yeah, I'll put some flowers out there, maybe some sunflowers.
It's gonna look beautiful.
Okay,
here are all the fruit trees.
Okay, so let's see what this is. And there's budding right now. This is grapefruit right here. Anna apple.
Apple trees?
Oh,
what's
look,
this one?
Apples, and there's going to be grapefruit.
Do you know what this is?
I don't know what this one is, but it's some kind of a stone fruit, so I would guess.
This one's a Meyer lemon tree.
This is either peaches or apricots or something. This looks like, I don't know what.
We're going to find out what these trees are over time as they bloom and the fruit starts to come out.
This one here is, let me see. This is a blood orange tree.
Ooh,
look at that.
I don't know if I've ever had a blood orange.
I've seen them, but I've never eaten one.
There we go. I'm excited.
Blood orange and vodka cocktails.
Sounds good.
With sugar. So this is, to me, is like a blank canvas. I mean, it's halfway painted because it has a lot already, but it's going to be fun to maintain and to plant things. All that needs to be planted with flowers over there. Let's go over and look at the berries.
Okay.
Or we'll do the garden over here first.
Okay. The nice thing is it's all set up and ready to go.
It has a drip system. So this is, what do you grow up? Tomatoes and things up. This is the vine.
Yeah.
This is where you put your vines.
Or even like Grant has his peppers. They go up kind of, and it looks like they have some things that they threw in there.
Yeah, I don't want any cactus. There's some onions.
Oh yeah, they got onions here.
Okay, I'm going to pick one.
All of this is over, like look, they're all overdone. So this is what the new house looks like, and we are just really excited to get in here, and I'm excited to help you guys move in and continue to go through things if you want to share it, and we'll be sharing, you know, how we're going to set everything up here. And it's all just very exciting. We're so happy for you to be here with us on this journey. If you're new, you can hit the subscribe button to join the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.